Okay. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Hola y hello, everyone. Todos gente y mis compañeros, etc., etc. I finally have a new tutorial coming out for y'all, and it's a super quick one. I only use one skein, but you can use 2 skeins of rope in order to make a full skirt in it, but I ran out because I only had 1 skein. But sometimes you got to keep it simple just to get the videos out. I think this would be super perfect for Burning Man, which is super hot, or if you're going to the desert festival, or if you just want to stay cool at a festival and wear like a unitard. So it's coming. Kina did some dancing. It's really not for her cup size, but it's easily changeable. All you have to do is just move it up laterally, horizontally to fit over a smaller cup size, or just make it smaller. But you'll see, I did it on my big dress form as opposed to my smaller dress form / manic. Anyhow, tune in later to figure out how to do this top, or you can make it into like a vestido, a dress, and have it cover all of you. Of course, it's not going to cover all of you. You're going to need to wear a slip or a unitard or something under it. Pero yo pienso, I think you get the point if you follow this and subscribe to my video. Hasta luego.